What up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413. If you guys want to know how you can get yourself a free Rikers wrap from RikersWraps.com, stick around to the end of the video and I'll let you know. Peace. All right, what's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. Guess what today is? DIY Wednesday. Oh yeah. So guess what we bringing you today? One of the easiest mods you can do. A lot of people, a lot of videos you might have saw said it's kind of difficult, but guess what? The king of DIY is gonna show you how to do it the easy way. So what I'm gonna show you is LED lights, the King Jaffe Joe 413 way. So, all right, LED lights. So, I want to make sure we send a shout out to Brandon King for sending us the LED lights. So if you guys need LED lights, Brandon King has LED lights. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can hit him up. He can get those to y'all. You can find Brandon King on Facebook, Brandon King. You know what I'm saying? Easy as that. Hit him up on Messenger. That's where I get my exhaust from. I got my toggle switch from him. Now I got some LED lights. Thank you, Brandon King, for sponsoring the channel. All right, so, yo. I know you guys seen light videos and they were like, oh, these light hard, it's difficult. So you like, some of you guys probably like, I want LED lights cause the rest of the lights on my bike are LED except for the ones in the top. You know what I'm saying? Like they all yellow. So what I'm gonna do is show you 5-10 minutes to do this. Quick and easy. What you gotta do is, you're gonna have you a T30 torque bit, and I got me a little ratchet here. So the easiest way is, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the screws. We got one screw here. We got one screw here. And then we got another screw right underneath this tape. That's where everyone gets confused about because they don't know about that screw. So you're gonna take your T30 and we're gonna unscrew that screw. And you know me, I already had to get it set up. All right, there you go. Oh, look right there. You see it right there? Screw right there. Yes, sir. You know, your boy Cam already got it loose for you guys because, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have proof of concept before you bring it to the subscribers. So we pull that out. Boom, one screw there. Then we got two screws here. One. Two. And boom, our light is out. Easy as that, guys. Pull the wire off. Sit. All right, so after you get your wire off, pull that off there. And then you just click that there, and that gets your light out. All right, so Brandon King sent us 2 sets of lights. You know what I'm saying? He sent us these and these right here. Got both sets right there. And I'm gonna be putting these on my bike right now. All right, guys. So this is what the light looks like. You got a little silver thing that comes off. This goes on and off. So anytime you buy LED lights, we're gonna have this because you have to take this off to get the ring over here, and then you gotta put this back on. So anytime you get LED lights, you're gonna have one of these rings that come off. Some people might get confused when they buy them and like, oh, how do I get the ring on there? You gotta take the ring off. All right, so, we got a ring here, a white ring, factory white ring that comes with the bike. You wanna have your little tabs pointing towards the outside, like so. Then we're gonna throw the ring over there and then you turn it, and that's gonna lock it on place. So, when you're putting it into the housing, you're gonna see like 3 little tabs here. There's one here, and one here, like spots, and then you see 3 tabs here. So you're like gonna try to line those up with those tabs. That's actually not how you do it. How you do it is, there's a flat spot right here on the bottom, and then there's a flat spot on the bottom of here. And that's what you wanna line up, is that flat spot. Once you get that flat spot lined up, it's gonna sit in there nice, and then you just gotta snap your ring back in. Simple as that. All right, so as you guys seen, I took this rubber off, but obviously this rubber can't go back over here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna modify mine. You don't have to do this, you don't want to. The rubber's not necessary, you don't have to have it on there, but it's actually a precaution to keep some of the water out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it right around this top right here, and that's gonna fit right around here perfectly. So let's put that down. I'm just gonna pop it out like this. All right, guys, I got that all cut out now. So now I'm just gonna snake this wire through here like so. And then we're just gonna put that over there like that. And now we have our seal on our light. So, there we go, light there. All right, so now we're gonna install it. What I'm gonna do first is, obviously, I'm gonna plug in the wire. I'm gonna turn it on, make sure it works before I do all this. You don't wanna, I'm gonna, yeah. All right, guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna plug it in first, make sure it works. After that, I'm just gonna bolt it back in, and basically that's it. So let's go there. Let's do this first. We'll plug it back in. Set it in place there. And let's make sure she works. All right, she's working, guys. All right, now just put our 3 screws back in. Sit, you know what I'm saying? Nice and easy, quick and easy, right? You guys need some lights. I hit my man Brandon King up. Y'all need a hoodie, y'all need a t-shirt, y'all need a hat, y'all let me know. You hit up KingJoffyJoe413.com, check out the website, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video if you think you liked it, you know what I'm saying? If this was informative to you and you think that I helped you in any way, leave a comment, let me know. I think that's it, guys. Until next one, peace. All right, guys, what's going on? So, I know you guys want a free wrap. Why wouldn't you? I would want a free wrap. So, how you can get a free wrap and enter this giveaway that we're having is what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to be a subscriber of the King Joffy Joe 413 YouTube channel. If you're watching this video, you should already be a subscriber. The second thing you're gonna do is you're gonna have to go to either Facebook or Instagram. Some people don't have both, some people do. If you wanna go to both, you can go to both. So, right, if you wanna win a Rikers wrap of your color, one of these colors here, what you're gonna have to do is You're gonna have to be a subscriber of King Joffy Joe 413's YouTube page. You're gonna have to go to Facebook or Instagram. Go to King Joffy Joe's 413's Facebook or Instagram page and follow that. And then you're gonna have to go to the RykerRaps.com's Facebook or Instagram page and follow that to enter the win. After you do all that, you're gonna go back to the post that I post on Facebook and Instagram, and then you're gonna comment your YouTube name. And after all that's done, we're gonna let this go for a little bit, and then we're gonna give it to one of you guys. This giveaway is for everybody. So if you're in the United States, you're gonna get free shipping. But if you're in another country, Canada included, Mexico, you're gonna have to pay for your own shipping. But you can win this free wrap and pay for shipping. So if it's up to you. If you want to get a wrap for the price of shipping, make sure you do all these, follow the rules to enter the win. All right, guys. Good luck. Peace.